So Op Sindoor was our swift and thunderous answer to the enemy's cowardly provocation. And when heavy fire came onto us and they failed to engage our military positions, they stooped to targeting innocent civilians, and they also targeted the sacred religious sites behind us with heavy artillery unprovoked fire. I was the company commander on the forward post and I took charge of the situation. We unleashed all our heavy firing weapons and rained down on the enemy. On the fateful night of 6th May, all the weapons of the Indian Army sang in harmony to the fire orders that were given, and each post of the enemy was engaged adequately. Apart from that, we used high-end surveillance equipment and drones to get real-time intelligence, which enabled us to pinpoint their gun positions and completely obliterate them. Apart from that, we also made use of drone jamming and spoofing, which enabled us to render their drones useless, and the nation is already privy to it. I would also like to say that their posts are completely ruined now, and the message is very clear that they fire at us and we will retaliate with the full fury of the Indian Army. So one such Gurudwara in Punch area is the Nangali Sahib Gurudwara that was attacked by the deliberately targeted, I would say, by the Pakistan Army, and to bring down the morale and to create a conflict between the civilians of the country. So after that we retaliated heavily on them. We pinpointed their positions, and we did that by making use of the drones and high-end surveillance equipments, and we were able to suppress their artillery fire.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि रेजिमेंट ऑफ आर्टिलरी का बहुत बड़ा योगदान था इस सेक्टर में। ऑपरेशन के दौरान जो हमारी आर्टिलरी की गन्स थी उनको इस तरीके से एम्प्लॉय किया गया था ताकि वो दुश्मन के बटालियन हेडक्वार्टर्स, गन एरियाज, लॉजिस्टिक इंस्टॉलेशंस को फायर उसको शामिल कर सके, अपने उस पर टारगेट कर सके और उनको बर्बाद कर सके। इस चीज़ के लिए हमें आदेश मिले फायर डायरेक्शन सेंटर के। आदेश मिलते ही हमारे गनर्स का जोश इतना ज़्यादा हाई था और इतना ज़्यादा कोऑर्डिनेटेड था कि इन्होंने सब लोगों ने मिलकर उन सारे दुश्मन के ऊपर फायर किया और उनको बर्बाद किया। इन्होंने थोड़ी भी फिक्र नहीं की कि इतनी हैवी एनिमी शेलिंग जब हो रही थी तो उसमें भी उनका जो प्रोफेशनलिज्म होता है और जो उनका टेक्निकल प्रोफिशिएंसी होता है वो इतना ज़्यादा हाई था कि इन्होंने दुश्मन को मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया और अपनी जो सिक्योरिटी थी उसको ना ध्यान में रखते हुए दुश्मन के सारे टारगेट्स को एंगेज किया और उनका जोश देखने बनता था।
See, the role of artillery in this Operation Sindoor was to put down the enemy fire and to punish him whenever he was targeting civilian infrastructure. Towards this, initially we responded very proportionately when he was targeting our military bases, but thereafter when he started targeting civilians, we decided to respond punitively. And this punitive engagement was precise, timely, and within a very short time frame, his entire ecosystem of the firepower was neutralized. I can confirm to you that there have been multiple damages caused by the artillery, and we have suffered no damages. As far as somebody was asking me about technology, this technology is now deep rooted in every unit and subunit of the Indian Army. And each of my gunners is a techno warrior. So whether it is surveillance or target acquisition or communication or target engagements, everything is networked, everything is automated, and therefore what we call in the artillery the kill chain. Our kill chain is much shorter than his. So before he can finish an engagement, we are already firing onto him, and that is how we've maintained our dominance in this sector.